Wow, I look dreadful. How I do my hair, as you can see, it is like a bird's nest right now. And yeah, I'm going to show you how I do it. Get a hairbrush. And then the hair wax that I use is currently this Hairbond. I'll show you guys that's how I do my hair.
Hairbond nennt sich das und es ist aus England, United Kingdom.
Mattifier, professional hair cement from the UK's Hairbond. Oh my god. Let me tell you something about this. This really is like cement. My hair has not moved all day. I put this on this morning first thing before I went to work, and I've come home and it looks exactly the same way that it did when I left the door 9 hours ago. And I've been using hair products for at least 15 years, and I have to say I have never ever found one that can do exactly what this can do without using hairspray and other things and, you know, getting your hair looking all greasy and horrible. Yeah, it just doesn't work. Hairbond, on the other hand, have come out, absolutely smashed it with this product because I can keep my hair nice and sturdy, nice and solid, exactly the way I want it to look, and it doesn't look greasy. And I'm not having to cake loads of other products on there too. So this one comes in the gold packaging, it comes in a nice glass jar, and if you open it up, it's got a beautiful plastic seal to keep it fresh. It's what we like. And the first thing that you'll notice, this one has a really strong cherry fragrance. And I don't know about you, I didn't think that I would like having my hair smell like cherry all day. But this one, oh, this one's been getting the compliments, all right. So many people have stopped me at work today to say, who smells like cherry? What's that? That's me, my hair. Can you believe it? That's just so good. So, Hairbond from the UK, smashed it again with another great product. Go and check it out. Try them for yourself. Cheers.